Hello, Burlington Public Schools. It's Michelle Artizzoni here with a brief tutorial of how to enter in a Get Help ticket. The Get Help system is the system in place from the Burlington Public Schools IT department so that we as teachers and end users can report any technology troubles that we need some help with. So for this demonstration, I'm logged into my MacBook Air and I've used Google Chrome. And you can see if you look towards the very top left, and you should have it already in place on yours as well when you log into Google Chrome, the upper left-hand corner has a bookmark titled BPS Bookmarks. When you tap on it, you will see a listing, and here I can find the Get Help bookmark already in place for you. So give that a tap and you will automatically brought to our Burlington Public Schools Get Help system. Now, to begin to enter a ticket to report your trouble that you need support with, you can tap on the blue Create Ticket or the green. They both lead you to the same spot. The next few screens that I'll take you through are kind of categories and fine-tuning and filtering of the problem that you're reporting. That way your school's IT technician will know best how to troubleshoot any materials he might need to bring. So for this tutorial example, I'm going to say that my teacher iPad has a small crack in it and I want the technician to look at it. I think it might need to be replaced. So if that's my problem, I can look through my possible categories and I'm going to narrow it down to say, yep, I have a problem here. Devices for iPads. That makes the most sense. It is a staff device. I'm reporting it as a teacher. And then here, the IT department is prompting you, please tell them how urgent the problem is. Is it immediate attention, such as a problem with the network that you're experiencing? Or is it, for this case, I'm going to say it's a high priority. I would like a short response, within the same day or a following day. I just don't want that crack to get any worse. So please provide a quick summary here. So teacher, iPad has a small crack in the screen. All right, and then a description. So here I'm going to give a little bit more information. So I'm going to give my name and the best place to find me and give a little bit more detail. So I'm going to say Michelle Artizzoni, digital learning coach. My teacher iPad has a small crack in the upper left hand corner. I believe it may need to be replaced. Thank you. So we'll have the IT team come and look at that. If I had any attachment, such as a picture, if you took a picture of the problem that you're describing, you could put that here. I don't have one to add, so I'm going to click on Next. For the device details, the IT department is asking if it's an iPad, a desktop, laptop, or another piece of equipment. Please see if there is a device ticket to record it, a device tag number for that item, and you can enter that right here in the rectangle box. Well, where can you find a tag number for the item? Typically, it's located on the back or bottom of device, above or below a barcode, and you can see the example here. If you don't have one or it's not visible or you enter one, it's not found, it's okay to tap cancel and just keep going. But just take a moment to look to see if you have one. So for this video purposes, I'm going to pretend that I don't have one and just click cancel and keep going. And then what type of support do you need? Well, it can be in person. You might need the tech support person in your room with you. You might be able to speak with them through a Google Meet, a phone call, or just a written reply. When they reply to this ticket, it comes through as an email to you as well. So for here, I want to have them come in person to see my iPad. I'm going to give that a click and tap Next. After tapping on Next, you're brought to kind of like the contact screen. What's the best way for the IT technician to reach you? So there is a pull-down menu for the site. So I'm going to say that I am at Burlington High School. And what room number am I in? And I'll say that I am working in the library. That's primarily where to find me. You would, of course, put your school name and you could type in your classroom number. And then if you have a phone extension, so I'll say that I'm at 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. And then I would tap here to submit. Great. So after it's submitted, you'll see you have a ticket number. You can go back and view the ticket or return to the dashboard. So I'm just going to return to the dashboard, and my ticket number again is 4465. And here you can see now when I'm on my dashboard screen, here's my ticket, 4465, and I can see that it's been reported. It's a new ticket, the status of high, and the problem with staff devices. You can see all the information that I have just put in. So that will be assigned to a technician who will then reply to this ticket. So once again, teachers, when it's time to create a ticket and you are signed into your device in Google Chrome, you go right up to BPS bookmarks, tap on Get Help, and then here you go. You're ready to begin to create a ticket. Thank you so much.